Workforce Connection has been a valuable partner in helping us meet our staffing and training needs. We are proud to be recognized. Hi, my name is Eric Priest and I am the Training Director for the Fresno Sheet Metal Workers Apprenticeship JTC. We're the Fresno Sheet Metal Workers Apprenticeship Program, so we're a training center that utilizes on-the-job training as well as lab and classroom training to provide highly skilled individuals in the sheet metal trade. Our trade is very dynamic and it's very challenging, so our high level of safety, leadership, and work ethic is what sets us apart from other occupations. The reason why someone would want to work at our business or join our union is that we provide great health benefits. We provide a channel to a fantastic retirement, training on the job and in the classroom and the lab. But when you get on a job site, the challenges might be something different, but our training provides you with a good base so that you are able to make decisions on the fly. The employees love the sheet metal trade. We're kind of a little kept secret amongst the building trades. Not a lot of people know about sheet metal, and so once they come through the workforce development program and they learn about our program, most of them want to be carpenters or electricians, and I would say about half of them change their mind and become sheet metal workers. We do believe in giving second chances. We have a way to train those individuals to help them establish a good wage and provide for their families. We've been working with Workforce Connection for about 15 years now. So Workforce Connection has been a great partner to us because it does create that channel for recruitment. The pre-apprenticeship that comes through our program, and we're able to observe the individual candidates in a work setting. They actually are making projects in our shop and around the shop, and we're able to watch them, and we're able to pick out the leaders of each of those classes. A couple of the characteristics that we actually look for are someone that can show up on time every day, all the time. Another one is just being helpful, being willing to serve your brother and sister and help to lift those people up. Those are qualities that we look for. We actually have two candidates that went through the Workforce Connection pre-apprenticeship and ValleyBuild pre-apprenticeship that stand out in my mind. One is Emily Tonino. She is and has been a leader amongst her peers in the apprenticeship, and she actually sat on a board for us and spoke on our behalf to all the local high schools that participate in a apprentice day. The second one is Enrique Anchando. Both of those individuals have done great through the workforce development ValleyBuild program and then have transitioned into our apprenticeship. And now they are in roles at our signatory contractors that are setting them up to be leaders in the industry. So we are expanding our training facility and upgrading our facility to grow, because we know the trade's going to grow. And workforce development and the ValleyBuild pre-apprenticeship provide a great partnership to get the individuals that we need in the trade. I'd like to thank the Fresno Regional Workforce Development Board for this nomination. I would also like to thank Ashley Marquez for the nomination. We are proud to be recognized. Thank you.